A human mind can evolve from being an atheist to being a seeker. These three groups are fundamentally different. An atheist is someone whose mind and heart are closed, and a believer is someone whose mind is open or whose heart is open. A seeker is someone whose mind and heart both is open. Let us explore further. An atheist is similar to being a kindergarten kid. They can be influenced relatively quickly, and a believer is similar to being a teenager. They are rebels, since they operate from their heart or their mind level. They could also be influenced, but not as quickly as an atheist. A seeker is someone whose heart and mind are open. It is very difficult to influence them. They will use both their mind and their heart. Use their intelligence and faith and balance them to come to a conclusion. So let's understand this further with an example. When kindergarten kids are taken to the ocean, an ocean is nothing more than water. They will play at the shore of the sea, and if you take them to the riverbank or the ocean, it's all the same. For a believer, they are similar to the surfers. They will play at the ocean's surface, perhaps take a dive or two, and that's it. Finally, a seeker is like an explorer. They will dive into the ocean, see the world inside the sea, and have a lot of knowledge and perspectives about the ocean. So for an atheist, an ocean is like water, and beyond that, they don't have much understanding. For a believer, an ocean is more like a playground. They only have some bit of knowledge of the sea. But for a seeker who has gone deep into the ocean, explored a lot of things, and because they're explorers by nature, they have a lot of perspectives. Let's take another example to see the difference between the three groups. An atheist is similar to a kid's mind. They would see plants as just plants. For them, a plant is a non-living thing. On the other hand, a believer would have a bit more understanding of plants. Perhaps they know intellectually a plant takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. If they see plants emotionally as living things, they may pray to plants and trees and connect with them. A seeker would see plants, trees, and flowers as a whole kingdom in itself. They would look at this kingdom as living, breathing beings just as we humans are. They would see how they take birth, reproduce, and die just like every other species on this planet. And they have their own communication system to interact and communicate with each other, insects, small animals, and even humans. If we can develop enough sensitivity, we can connect with the heart. To sum up the core difference between an atheist, a believer, and a seeker is an explorer. Believers are lazy. They don't want to explore. And this makes them conclude things easily. And finally, an atheist has zero understanding. Basically, they have little perspective and knowledge. They are mentally shut, and they don't believe in anything.